Hello again. Today we're back at the Inner Harbor in Syracuse. They're building the aquarium behind me, and it's a Thursday, so we're gonna see stuff happening. I can hear beeping in the distance. Let's go check it out. So as I just said, it's Thursday. I'm usually here on the weekend, and sometimes they're actually working on the weekend, but today we're actually gonna see real work being done. I thought today we would stick around this side over here and walk around the other side and then come back through and go across the harbor from the construction. Yeah, you can kind of see it from over here. Look, there's two huge cranes now. If you haven't been to Syracuse recently, we're having construction all over the city. 81 is being diverted around the city, and so there's construction there. There's construction going through the city. There's construction on this road. They're tearing up the whole north side, just north of here. It's all torn up. It's like detours. They had to buy more detour signs, I think, just to have people navigate through the city. It's kind of comical how much construction is going on right now. And I just walked past some people over there who were talking about the construction of the aquarium. And yeah, here's another shot of it. I guess it keeps going up in price. I mean, there's a lot of things happening in the world right now, and they estimated a certain amount. And these people I just walked past were just saying it's 100 million now. Should be interesting to see this, what the end result is. I'm excited to go to this place. I know there's a lot of chatter about it. We're not a political channel. Don't waste your energy commenting negative things down here. But if you do like different places around Syracuse and Central New York and upstate New York, we love taking different road trips. Consider subscribing if you're not already. But definitely leave a comment if you're excited to see this being completed or just like seeing construction. Construction's kind of fun, right? So I haven't seen this here before. It's like a extra docking area for boats. Usually they just have like this wooden plank here. I wonder if that's new right here. Huh. I was just looking across the harbor over there, and it looks like they have a ton of porta potties, obviously for the construction, and then there's some blockades, so I'm not going to go down that way. We'll take a look from this side and then go across the way. But it looks like they have some good progress since we were here last. So I kind of skipped April because I didn't think they were going to do a lot of stuff, but yeah, they have some more than just the concrete structures that was there before. So it looks like they have some concrete being moved. This one crane is got going there. It's really interesting. I don't know how any of this stuff works. It looks like there's a bucket of something, probably cement, I would imagine, that crane is carrying up. It's probably the third one I've seen go in there. This other crane has some materials on it too. Just waiting for it to bring it up into the air. It's like got its line behind the concrete structure there. This is a nice view of the Penfield Manufacturing Company. That's the one with the little house on the top of the building. And we were over that way in one of our videos at this antiques place. It's a Syracuse Antiques Exchange. I'll leave those linked in the description box if you want to check those videos out. We had a lot of fun just looking at those antiques there. So I think I'm gonna go over to the other side just across from the aquarium construction just to kind of check that out. I was waiting for this one crane that's still it's been like 20 minutes and it hasn't done anything. It has like some kind of bundle of something that it's picking up. It hasn't moved yet, but I was talking to one of the maintenance workers here, and he cleaned up these little slips here for the boats that we were looking at earlier, and he did an amazing job. And he said that they do have a boat that comes and cleans the debris out, and you know, it does get pretty dirty. But you can kind of take a look, see what he did. He did a great job. It's pretty amazing. He filled the whole wheelbarrow full, and I was just standing here the entire time, and he did so much hard work, and here I am standing. So we are going to take another look a little further down, but I love standing under here. It's just so peaceful, kind of. I mean, with noise it's a little less peaceful, but it should be a pretty fun area to come visit once all the construction's done. It's a different angle from over here. So you got another bucket of whatever that is. Imagine concrete. Going in. Pretty cool little sign here. I love these signs. This one's about rain gardens, so you can make your own rain garden at home. You put some gravel, landscaping fabric, soil, and then mulch, and it helps slow erosion. So there are a bunch of rain gardens here. We can see there's one over there. It just helps with the runoff and everything, especially when they were doing construction. And yeah, here's another one. And this is full of native species, so it's good for pollinators. Yeah, there is one major thing that I like about Syracuse is it's small. It's got that big city type of feel in some ways, but then it's a small city type of feel in other ways. Like, this is a nice little area. You stay here in a hotel, and the creek walk, Onondaga Creek Walk, follows around, and you can live here. There's some apartments near the future aquarium, and then there's also a brewery in there, beauty parlors and stuff, and some more retail space. You know, if you're here with a bunch of friends and stuff, you can take the creek walk all the way down to the mall and go shopping, go see a movie. Jeez, I'm telling you, if you like watching construction and you live there, what a great spot to live, because it's like right across from the future aquarium. There's a few trees they could maintain through here once all this is done. Pretty on up. I'm sure right now it's pretty good, but imagine that view. Oh, that might be a good view from that bench over there. Heck, I just thought of something. If you had a bike like that guy does, especially an electric bike, you could take this all the way to Liverpool. This connects out at the obviously the lake, the rest of the lake, and then you can walk around past Lakeview Amphitheater, go see a concert. I wonder if they have bike locks there. I think they have a place to put your bike. Here's a nice spot to view this from. Wow. I never even came down here this far before because there was nothing constructed. Now they have all kinds of things going on. Wow. And just to show you kind of where we were way over by the Loft Hotel over there. Man, these people know what they're doing over there, I'm telling you. It's coming right along. I was looking at this sign that has these flowers on it, and I noticed like yarrow and swamp rose and wild blue phlox. But what's this orange one? Does anyone out there know what this orange flower is? That's really pretty. Thanks again for hanging out with me at the Inner Harbor. I know I promised last month that we'd get out here, but we've been going to a lot of museums, and that's taken quite a bit of our time. So I hope you guys have been watching those and enjoying them. We have a couple more museums we're going to hit up in the next month, and then we're going to do two things over the summer. We're going to amusement parks, and we're also going to walk around Onondaga Lake, which is almost something you can do entirely, but we're going to start in Liverpool and just walk all the way around and look at some of the history and some of the different things and just see what we can find out. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe down below. It really helps out the channel. And if you like this video, if you made it to this part of the video, heck, click like down below, and we'll see you on our next road trip. Bye. I was just walking through here and I was like, my gosh, no one cleans up after their dogs. But this is Canadian geese. It's warmer on the pathway, so they camp out overnight. I just saw across the way that they're setting up for something for this weekend. Probably have a little amphitheater up there. I wonder what they're going to be doing and how they're going to manage all the traffic around this construction. See, in Syracuse, we don't let anything get us down, even construction.